Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's tap on this phone section, and immediately we will have this pop-out window with pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the bottom we've got the option Add Ringtone. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded, then you will be able to set it, choose it and set it as your ringtone. So to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it and your device will, oh my god, let me volume it down, and your device will basically play it, so you will be able to check whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I would like this Champagne edition to be set up as my ringtone. So all I have to do is to make sure that the option I'd like to use is marked and then tap on OK. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on, our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.